Hey, y'all. Let's go for a ride. Run an intro. Oh, that's alright, folks. Are we on the road again? Just ain't waiting on the road again. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. It's 62 degrees, 62.6 degrees on, I believe it's the 21st of September. On this pre-recorded video in front of nobody. The natures. Hey, but first, how your mama name? Why is Halloween in October? Well, I guess it's due to all the fall festivals, maybe. Because, October is known for cooler weather and kind of cooler weather. Especially down here in the south. The leaf colors, and they'll get the fall lookaloos, the leaf lookers, or whatever you want to call them. I think 603 Riders calls them something, because he's up there where it really gets pretty, up there in New Hampshire and Maine and all that area, northern Maine. Well, put it this way, he's in Laconia. Oh, me, he's a mile from the Harley dealership, I think, or less. At least that's what he says. Anyway, we're gonna ride with the 365ers. We're running late as usual. We're running late because it was just a good day to sleep in, and we did. We got up 45 minutes ago. Dumb dogs. Hey, we were rolling out, as you can see. Well, I thought we was. The other guy's still getting his stuff on. Fix my glove here. So I don't know. Maybe, hopefully, we just go up 78. Because I'm hungry. We got up late. Didn't have breakfast or a snack. I ate a handful of M&M's, peanut M&M's. Guess if you chew them long enough, the peanut become peanut butter. So yeah. Know what you gonna do? I'm surprised he acted like he was just gonna come on out there. 90% of the time they would have. That reminds me, I gotta put my dragons stickers on. So head count is Bill up here. He goes from one road to the other. But I don't even waved in. I don't know which side road Bill wants to ride on. Pick a side, Bill. Alright, we got 3 trikes, 3 motorcycles. That's 6. And I don't guess we're going to maybe turn on 78. We're going to a barbecue place called Big Daddy's. Big Daddy Ross. No, I think it's Big Daddy Barbecue. But anyway, something like that. It's in Munford, Alabama. Munford's over there near Oxford, Alabama, and all that good stuff. And Honda brakes down there, they paint stuff or whatever they use to glue their brake pads together. Stinks. I ought to tell them, hey, you can't park there. What's he gonna do? Catch the speeders coming over? Are he turning behind us? I don't know. But notice they took the blue line off, because that's just telling people that they all about that blue line, that protecting their blue line brothers. Well, I hope you like that one guy that shares my video. You know who you are, Sick. I noticed in that Sick bastard. Ray wasn't that a meat sick bastard. That's the rock guard. There you go. Hey, look. Okay, they just paid this road. This year our county must have had a lot of money left over. They paved this road, because this is a county road. Yep. They working on it. They ain't got the stripe painted yet. Man, I like it. You know, if you put your bury a family member on your property, you don't have to pay taxes no more on it. Something like that. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what I heard. Uh-oh. Well, see how rough these railroad tracks are. Pretty rough. Yep. Then the transition back. Yep. Yippity yip. So we still ride. What's the name of this road? Providence Providence Church Road. And Bill, Barry must be hungry. He's gone. But there's what the sign says. Those buildings got blowed over. Well, we gonna park right up here in the gravel? Probably, yep. Shit. This is from Nona Grace in the bathroom at this Big Daddy's barbecue. Look at all the bridges on the door. There's your chicken. Here's your birthday present.
Oh, thank you. I forgot about that earlier. That's cool. How much you want?
Nothing.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. My fingers are. So that place that's good barbecue. That's real barbecue. Hey, we're going out the other way. The dirt gravel. Ooh, see my front wheel slid. Hey, look, a canoe. Yak attack. Woo-hoo! I guess that's the outdoor center. No, hardware and auto parts. I was wrong. Alrighty then. Oh, you ever sit on you? Yeah, never mind. Alright, I don't know. I've been this way to go. We're gonna go the old ray across. Oh my lord, we got a bonehead mower. Is he? I don't think so. We didn't have one today, but we didn't see him out there cutting. He's not. Good deal. This is all them blowed off. There's more of them janko light on and stuff. Damn, Barry. He gone. We had to wait on one of the other guys to get across the road. Oh. You know, only bad part about that place was I only had one server and it got busy. That place was full. As we got there, we got there just the right time. They came out, if plate and all came out good, but I mean, the barbecue's already cooked. They just got to chop it up, put it on a bun, right? Then fry up the onion rings. We had onion rings. And I got the poppers thinking it'd be a while before it bolted on. Our food started coming out. And that's what I don't like when your appetizer comes out 5 seconds before your food does. And it was melted lava. It had the jalapeno poppers and the cheese was like lava. I believe I burnt my finger. Alright, anyway, but barbecue was barbecue, you know, real barbecue. They've been in business for a while, but I don't know how long. But anyway, let's see what we see, I guess. I don't know what we do. We're gonna ride over the back way of Mount Cheehaw. Here, Camp Mac. Nobody here. Camp Mac Sports Complex. See the cabins. There's the lake. Crystal Lake, where Jason come from. Nah, not really. They right here, and you gotta blind curves and come around these curves, and people want to be on the wrong side of the road. They want to be in the middle of the road. We done met 3 motorcycles going the other way. And a bunch of cars. Alright, we back over here at the lake. Hell, there's people out there swimming. Well, it's sure enough. Ain't that water cold? Y'all be sick. Just look at the view up through there. So we turned off the Parkway, Cheehaw Parkway. Now we on County Road 49. Surely he ain't gonna go all the way around the Lineville and Munford, all that way. This is a cool little road, this section is. I bet he's gonna turn right down here and go back to the other road. Well, we are about 50 miles from the house, so we'll have about 175 miles today. Not a bad day. It's warmed up to 88 degrees. It's got hotter and humider. Hotter and humider. We took the long way back home, as you can see. So, afternoon thunderstorm still rolling in. But anyway, we're making a sharp turn right here. Whee! Gotta get them last rides before it gets too cold to ride, but I ride year round, so as long as it ain't 30 degrees and raining, we'll be alright. So, you can, if you wouldn't mind, go checking out that video if you like some of what I'm doing. If you don't, might want to check out that one and that one. And hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. If you watched, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next whatever we're doing. Maybe we'll do something fun.